Android devices are simple to use with your TV service. A wide variety of boxes and devices are available. For this video, we'll be using the Jetstream 4K Ultra HD Android TV box. To access the menu, press the back button on your remote control. Use the direction keys to select the guide or other menu options, including shows, movies, DVR, settings, and search. Once you've highlighted the option you want, press the enter button. To navigate through the menu or guide, utilize the direction keys. To tap up or down, move through the guide to see programs currently playing. Hold the up or down key to scroll quickly. Tap right to move forward in the guide to view up-and-coming programs. Tap left to go back or access the Replay TV menu. Replay TV allows you to watch shows that have previously aired. When selecting a show in the guide to watch, press the enter button to begin watching. Your viewing options will appear. Press enter again to play, record, or learn more. When you select play, the program will begin playing. An option will appear also to allow you to choose to start the program from the beginning. If you select a program that is airing in the future, you can select to record it. If it is a series, you can select to record one or all episodes. You can channel surf while watching a program. Once in the program, tap up or down to move one channel in the lineup. To exit out of a program you selected or a screen that you're in, press the back button. When watching live TV, utilize the enter key to pause the program. Once paused, you can rewind by navigating up in the timeline or press and holding the left key. In the DVR recordings, you can also fast forward, press enter to resume. To access the DVR, go to the menu, then select the fourth icon. You can view your recorded and scheduled programs. To watch a recording, select it, press enter, and play. To manage scheduled recordings, select the program and select the desired option. In the DVR menu, you can also view the DVR storage. Storage information will be in the upper right-hand corner. Next to the DVR hours is the settings icon. Select it to view a variety of setting options. The last item in the menu is the search options. Utilize the remote to type in the name of the program you're searching for and select it for viewing options. In addition to your device remote, you may also control your TV service from your smartphone. To do so, visit the App Store and download the Android Remote TV app. We hope you enjoy your TV service. For more information about your remote or service, visit us online or call us today.